my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my most favorite fall soups. It's one of the more popular recipes on my website, so I will be linking the recipe below for you guys. But I really think you guys are gonna love this one. It has some gnocchi in it, and if you don't want to use gnocchi, you can put in some potatoes. It's hearty and delicious. It's a major crowd pleaser. So if you're having company, this is definitely a soup that you want to put on the menu. I am missing one of the ingredients. I am missing parsnips because the grocery stores here just don't carry parsnips. I've been checking for weeks. So this recipe today will not have the parsnips, but if you can find parsnips, don't skip it. It's really delicious. So real quick, just want to remind you guys about our Eat More, Weigh Less sale. It's 70% off right now. This is our very comprehensive weight loss program. It comes with a full video course with over 70 videos. It comes with our detailed Lean for Life ebook, and you also get access to our private online support community. So make sure you check it out. I will link it for you guys below. All right, let's make this soup. Okay, so this video is gonna be kind of quick because I can't show you all of the food prep because the renovations on our kitchen start tomorrow. So I have stuff everywhere. Everything's in boxes. So I'm gonna prep all the veggies, but I'm gonna show you how to pull everything together.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by heating my nonstick pan and adding some onion and some garlic and letting that brown just a bit. And then I'm going to add my cubed butternut squash. Now you can cube your own, you can buy it already cubed. Just don't use frozen because it gets really, really mushy. In a pinch, I guess you could, but it always comes out like mush for me. So then I add a bunch of water to the pot and then I'm gonna let that simmer.
Okay, so now to the water, I'm gonna add a few of these vegan vegetable bouillon cubes. You don't have to use these. You can just season the broth with garlic, salt, and a few herbs, and it will come out great. But this is definitely next level on flavor. But again, you don't have to use it. But I will link it for you guys in the description box below. And I find this in the health food stores as well as the regular grocery stores.
So I just add a few of these cubes to taste until I feel like the broth has a lot of flavor. So then I'm gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the butternut squash is nice and soft.
Okay, so now I'm going to make the breadcrumb topping that goes on top. And guys, this is like the ultimate crunchy, yummy texture. Do not skip this part. Like, it is so good. It adds so much flavor and depth to the soup. I don't know why. It's just more fun to eat and it's more like satisfying and savory. So I'm gonna use some of these gluten-free breadcrumbs. Just pay attention because some of the gluten-free breadcrumbs has like egg whites. So if you're trying to eat a completely plant-based diet, then just pay attention to that. You can also find gluten-free gnocchi, which is great. And I think it actually tastes better than the regular gnocchi. It tastes kind of like more like sourdough. So, okay. So like I said, like my kitchen is packed up. There's in boxes because renovations start tomorrow. So I can't actually find my oregano or my garlic powder. So we're gonna improvise. We're gonna use garlic salt and I'm gonna use thyme instead of oregano.
So I'm gonna heat my nonstick pan and I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs to it. And then I'm gonna add a little garlic salt, some thyme, and the parsley, and then I'm just gonna kind of keep mixing it while it browns. I don't want to leave this alone because it burns pretty quickly, so I just keep moving it around until it's nice and toasted. So now that the butternut squash is nice and tender, I'm gonna add my summer squash, and then I'm gonna add a few cans of diced tomatoes, then a little rosemary. I'm gonna give that a nice mix, and then I'm gonna add in the gnocchi. This one is gluten-free. If you don't like gnocchi or you don't wanna use it, you could just add some cubed potato and that would be really good. So this is only gonna take about another 5 minutes and then it's gonna be ready to eat. And my pot got really, really full. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some breadcrumbs to the top, and guys, this is really, really delicious.
I inhaled the breadcrumbs. So much for making that one look super tasty. Let's try again. It's so good. Oh, now I'm sweating. I'm wearing a sweater in Florida. I'm making hot soup. Whew. It's good. All right, guys, that is it for me today. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's really, really good. Again, I will link the recipe below for you guys. Make sure to love yourselves and spread that love to somebody else. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.